Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at some raster file formats or image or bitmap file formats that TruCUT RDWorks supports. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, when it comes to these formats, which is normally known as a raster, or also bitmap or images, this will be for, photographs and maybe some clip art, but it won't be any vector type graphics. You can export a vector into a raster, but it's kind of more destructive. And you can obviously convert, in most cases, not in most cases, some cases, you can convert a bitmap to a vector as well, but you'll need to use specialized programs for that. Now, the difference between the bitmap and the raster, the vector and the raster, the vectors is kind of a mathematical equation, you can say. So those graphics can be scaled up to any size, spoolboard size, and so forth, but it's normally not as high quality in the sense of amount of detail. So you won't easily use it on a photo, but you might use it on a logo. Where a raster again works with a lot of little pixels like these blocks and with different colors, and when you zoom out it creates like an image, and that is most photography and art and so forth that is digital will be considered raster. Now obviously depending on your resolution will be the quality of it, that's where you get 2K, 4K and so forth. Now under these, this is your most popular, I would say, formats. So we've got BMP, which is bitmap. This was developed by Microsoft, and it's a very popular one, or used to be. I think these days it's not so popular anymore. Now this is quite limited to basically just colors. It does not have any alpha channels. Same with Jpeg. Jpeg on the other hand is definitely, I would say, one of the most popular image formats when it comes to non-alpha type, so where there's no transparency within the image. It's definitely took precedence over bitmap, and then because you can get your file sizes rather small with JPEGs. Then we've got PNG, which is also one of the most popular. This is for portable network graphics. This will be most stuff you're sending online, and that you can use this. You can have it very high quality, but also compress it quite a lot. But the beauty about this and TGA, which is similar, is you can add alpha channels. That means you can have an image and have the background, let's say, cut out, and it will be completely transparent. So if I throw it in here, you can, as I move it, you can see the text behind the border box. Where with a JPEG, if you had to remove the background, it will become a single color, maybe white or black, but it will be not transparent. So that is the main difference between these formats. And I personally work with the two middle ones the most. There is rare cases where you'll need a bitmap because the image quality can also go quite high, or a TGA. But there is also a whole lot of list or a whole lot of other formats that TruCUT RDWorks do support for raster. So you can always just go to File, Import, and then you go here by files of type and run through the list. And they've got like GIF, ICO, and so forth. So if there's other formats that you're working with, it might also support it. Just go look in the list. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the bitmap or raster type images that it supports, especially the four most common ones. And otherwise we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not find the training videos you're looking for, you can always go here on the top right to request a training video, fill in the meeting form, and then we will try our best to make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.